Let's turn on the new Apple Intelligence feature on iPad. So for now, I'm using iPad Air M4. But the thing happened is after you update the iPad OS version to 26.5, you will see a new option like settings and Apple Intelligence and Siri. Here you can see this option, turn on Apple Intelligence. So it's a new feature. So finally they turned on the Apple Intelligence. Let's turn on that. And here you can see the key features. Continue and this continue again. Okay, double tap to continue, and make sure you turn on the internet connection, because while you turn on the Apple Intelligence, it will download the ChatGPT extension on your iPad. So here you can see extension. So for me it haven't started, but it will happen in the background. I told you right, when you close and open the settings app, then it will happen, the update. Here you can see, you just calmly wait until it's download. Okay, now it's completely downloaded. ChatGPT extension, and you just set up this thing. Next, enable ChatGPT. That's it. So iPad can use ChatGPT to help you write, create an image, answer questions, and more. You can sign in with your ChatGPT account if you wish. So let's check it out. Hey Siri. Yeah, Siri interface was changed. Here you can see. Usually it pop-ups from here or here. So now it's changed. So you just check what are the new things added on the new update of Apple Intelligence, and you just comment below. And if you want to know more videos about iPad app, you need to watch this playlist.